And now to another 16-year-old Tamir KUPERMAN, who has just heard that huge, huge score, and I'm sure he will sense what may have just happened, but his performance in the short program indicated a feisty competitor as well, so hopefully he can channel what has just taken place in this arena to his own advantage. Well, another massive moment for this skater who looks a little frustrated, perhaps. However, this is the first time that he has cleanly landed a quadruple jump in competition, but perhaps his reaction to that indicates the competitive nature that he has. And you just wonder whether or not his reaction to this performance, which I think was a pretty good skate, is perhaps because he's very mindful of what took place before.
Blackwell, yeah, absolutely. Jason, your thoughts?
You know, I think, you know, exactly what you said. When you land a jump for the first time that you have not landed before, you envision then everything else is perfect.
Yeah.
You're like, when I landed, and you worked so hard to land that one element that you're like, now I can't make any mistakes. So I totally get that feeling. I mean, the first time I landed a triple axel in competition, I feel like I doubled my triple flip because I was like, oh my God, I did it. And I got so in my head while everyone around me was like, you should be so proud. You should be so proud. All I could think about was the fact that I doubled my triple flip. Like, I didn't care about the triple axel. I was so mad that I let that moment slide. And so I hope, you know, like even looking at his reaction, like it's incredible what he just did. So I hope he can kind of really celebrate that victory, even though, of course, you'd want to skate perfectly clean afterwards.
Jason, is it a blessing or a curse to be a perfectionist?
Oh, ooh. In this sport,
Yeah.
I think if you can use it in to your advantage, I think it's a blessing. But I think if you dwell on it and you dwell on it and you dwell on it and you only look at your imperfections, definitely a curse. But if you can look at those moments and be hard on yourself and use them to push yourself forward and apply them to your next event, then it's definitely a blessing because, you know, we're going after every little point that we possibly can get.
Oh, good to see now, as he's joined by Coach Evgeny Krasnopolsky, the smile on the face of Tamir KUPERMAN. Maybe Evgeny's given us some good wisdom as he's come off the ice to embrace this experience.
Yeah, that was incredible. I mean, what a great skate. And of course, he wants more. He'll work towards more, but this is the highest level he's been at. His personal best was 120.52, and this is a 137.72. So that's huge. But the total competition score 210.47. Tamir takes over second place. We've seen some fierce competitors, some gladiators on the ice right now.